Hey, this is Drew Page. Welcome to the Drew Page channel. Well, you guys know that have been following my YouTube channel have seen that I've done several videos the last couple weeks on Meet Kevin and his turnaround from investor to trader. Well, today I've got a new video that suggests that Kevin might be returning to being a third grade investor. And of course, I'm being facetious about that. That's what he said. People who are dollar cost averaging and saying everything's long term is third grade YouTube advice. Yesterday, he put out a video called Critical, the Federal Reserve's Minutes Revealed. And he goes through the fact that the Federal Reserve minutes are not as hawkish as maybe some might have thought they would be. They were actually pretty well on par, but that wasn't the important thing. The important thing was he kind of shows his hand on what he is doing with the money that he has. And he acknowledges that he bought the dip on Tesla stock. Listen to what he says here.
On Tesla, solid recovery on the day though. It was down 2%. Look at that rally coming off here. So if you're wondering, how do you play this? Maybe you play this by going a little bit temporarily, at least you go long on some of the tech trades that are selling down right now. But anyway, I did also, by the way, I am long on Tesla, about 2.5% of my portfolio now. I've got about 669 shares. I picked up a bunch last Friday when the whole Russia-Ukraine drama was going on. I picked up 600 shares. And
there you go. Meet Kevin is back. He's back in the market. Now, granted, it's a very small portion of his portfolio, 2.5%, he said. Said it was about 600 shares of Tesla, but he bought it at the dip at the during the Ukrainian crisis day, which I believe was last Friday. And so now he's moving back in, and he says that he may incrementally buy on other dip days, which is exactly what he's been teaching other people. He says he's still waiting for a cataclysmic event to put the rest of his portfolio in, but I just have a feeling that Kevin is slowly getting back into his regular mode that I think is great advice, which is dollar cost averaging every red day and making sure that you're putting money in the market on a regular basis. So just like I tell my personal injury clients, when they get a big sum of money, don't just dump it all into a car. Don't just put it in a bank account because you're losing money then. But incrementally start investing it on red days and putting money into the market and then maximizing it and watching it grow. And I have a feeling based on that Meet Kevin may be on his way back to being the third grade level YouTube advice giver of buying the dip and being a long investor. So we'll see if that's right. What do you think? Do you think that Kevin's back? If so, put it in the comments. If not, let me know. While you're there, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell. So until next time, stay tuned.